Give your Toyota Camry a stylish interior upgrade with our lavishly designed custom-fit seat covers. Made of quality faux leather, these seat covers are precision cut and custom tailored to your vehicle's specifications for a perfectly snug fit. Installation is easy. Before you know it, your seat protecting cushions will be on and your car will look and feel like a brand new ride. The covers accommodate 60/40 split seats and are waterproof, long-lasting, and durably constructed with thick foam padding. Plus, the center panel is perforated for proper ventilation. The back side of the bucket seat features handy slip pockets to safely store personal items, and the innovative design allows for the use of all your vehicle's seat controls, including rear center console and cup holders. Protect the interior and full value of your Toyota Camry with the stylish yet practical benefits of your custom-fit Luxe Faux Leather seat covers.